Hello everyone, welcome today on Saturday. Yes, it's Saturday, December the 4th, 2021. Look, we have a Saturday, December the 4th, 2021. We have here two regular Sudokus. The first one is a medium Sudoku. Yes, our daily practice continues. And here, a regular quintuplet, and I've told you the quintuplets I won't do them anymore because it will take me more than an hour to solve. So only one regular Sudoku. And in this daily newspaper on Saturday, December the 4th, 2021, we have an additional with extra puzzles, 6 extra puzzles. First one is a letter Sudoku, then we have a 2 stars, the 3 stars, tectonic with 4 stars, a binary puzzle, and a tectonic with 1 star. And those puzzles, I'm not interested. So total of 6 extra puzzles, and today I will do half of them, 3 of them. Of course, first the medium regular Sudoku. And tomorrow on Sunday, there's no newspaper on Sunday. I will do the rest of the puzzles in the additional. So the other 3 puzzles. But first, this regular medium Sudoku, number 3779. Let me write it here, 3779. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. 26 printed digits if you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars Sudoku in the additional. This will be a 2 stars, and for a 2 stars Sudoku, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. We will see. So let's get started. Alright, let me scan the puzzle. How about? Let me see. 8 and 9. Okay. We have. Let me see. 8, 3 and a 6. Okay. Come on. It's taking too long. Where's the opening? Where is the opening? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and the 4. We have a 1 and a 4 in this row, so no 1 and a 4 in these 2 boxes. The 1 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, 1 and a 4. Let me mark those. The other pair in this big square are the numbers 1, the 2 is missing, 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and a 5. Let me mark those. 2 boxes, 2 and a 5. Alright, we have a 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. You see there, 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. Alright. 9 in the last column, 9 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 9 should be there. Okay. And I cannot continue with the 9. How about the 5 in this column, the 5 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. You see there, 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in one of those 2 boxes in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. You see there, 5, no 5 there, 5. It should be here. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this column. 1 of the missing numbers and 2. We see here 2 in this big square. So no 2 in these 3 boxes. So the 2 could be here, could be there. We have a 2 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. So here cannot be a 2 anymore. The 2 should be there. Alright, 2 in the last column, 2 in that column. So the column between, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in the first row, 2 in the second row, so the third row, only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see that 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. Now we have a 2 here, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 5. Then I cannot continue with the 2. Need to wait. How about the number? How about the number? 1, 2, 3. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4, no 4 in this box. Therefore, no 4 in that box. So 1 box left for the 4. It should be there. 4 in this row, first row. 4 in the second row. So the third row, the only place for the 4 should be there. Now we have a 4 here. So this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. And this box should be a 1. Alright. 1 in this row, 1 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place for the 1 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place for the 4 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are, the 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the 7 is missing. 1 and a 7, 1 and a 7. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here, and the 7 goes there. We have a 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. Okay. Then 3 in this row, the third row, 3 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place for the 3 should be there. 6. Okay. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6 in the third row, so no 6 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6. Should be there. Alright. I'm thinking. Okay. 3 and 8, 6 and 7, yes. Yeah. 2 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 3 goes there. The other pair in this big square should be the numbers 1, 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 are missing. 6 and the 7. We see there's 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 box left in this row for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 7 is missing and the 8 is missing. 7 and 8. We have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 7 goes there. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. And I cannot continue with the 8. How about? Yeah, I'm thinking. 1 box left in this column for the number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. The 6 is missing. Alright. 6. Okay. 2 missing numbers in the last column for the numbers. So 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and the 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 3 and a 5. How about and 7? These 2 numbers. Yeah, wait. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the 4 should be there. 1 number left in this column for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 7 is missing. And these 2 numbers in this big square are the numbers. So 1, the 2 is missing, 3, 4, 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and the 6. Cannot fill this yet. Wow. 2 and the 6. Need to wait. How about 6 in this column. First column, 6 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. You see there's 6, no 6, there's 6. Should be there. Okay. Then. Let me see. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in the last row. One of the missing number is the 3. We see here 3, no 3 there. Here 3, no 3 there. There 3, no 3 here. Only place for the 3 should be there. Okay. And then we have a 4 in the third column, the 4 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in this row, 4 in the last row. So in the row between, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. And all the 4s are used. I can see. This is number 1, number 4. Okay. Alright. 2 missing numbers in the last row for the numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, and the 8 is missing. 7 and the 8, 7 and the 8, and look, we have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 1. 1 in this row, 1 in the last row. So the row between, only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in the third column, 1 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. And all the 1s are used. I can see. This is number 2, number 1. 1 box left in the first row for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The 9 is missing. 9 in the third column, 9 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place for the 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see. This is number 3, number 9. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is missing. 6 and 7 is missing. 5 and 7. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 7 in this row, 7 in the last row. So the row between, only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. You see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place for the 7 should be there. And no, the 7s are used. I can see. Digit number 4, number 7. Now we have a 5 there, so this box can't be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. And this box should be a 3. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 is missing. 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8. We see here an 8. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 1 number left in this row. For the number, the 2 is missing. Now we have a 2 here, so this box will be 2 and more. That box will be a 2, and this box will be a 6. Final 2 numbers in this big square. For numbers 1, 2, the 3 is missing. 4, 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and a 6. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Finish in 50 minutes. Alright, great. Medium Sudoku. Told you 15 to 20 minutes I need for solving this puzzle. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Yes. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe. And hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists. Playlists for the heavy, playlists for the medium, for the light Sudokus. I have also a playlist for the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus. A playlist for the tectonic, for the binaries, for the letter Sudokus, for the killer Sudokus, for the quintuplets, all kind of Sudokus or puzzles. I have a playlist. Just go to my channel and subscribe, and you will find them all those playlists. Yes, thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Saturday, a good weekend. And later on in the evening I will solve the other 3 puzzles, extra puzzles in the additional. See you then. Bye bye for now.